What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with Sade. Sade is actually doing her driving test today. So this is her driving test video. You know she gonna pass. Everybody passes, right, Sade?
Yes.
No fingers crossed. Everybody passes, exactly. So yeah, we're gonna run through the actual tests at one of the Broward County location. Before I get into the video though, I'm gonna ask you please to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are new, I'm welcoming you to the channel. Alright, so this test is approximately 7 minutes. It's very short. 7 or 8 minutes, something like that. So we're gonna run through step by step everything that they're gonna expect you to do and ask you to do, right? So first thing they're gonna ask you to do is the turn signal. So go ahead and signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So you press and release the brake. Put it in drive, in park actually. And then they're gonna ask you at some point throughout the test, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn left away from the curb, put the car in park, pull up the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright. Okay, so now they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So reverse. And then we're gonna back out until your mirror gets to the end of the line. When the mirror gets to the end of the parking lot line, that's where you're going to stop and turn all the way to the right. Alright, let's do it all the way right. Press the gas very gently. And stop. Put it in drive. Turn all the way left. And you're wearing one of your favorites. your favorite cracks.
Yeah.
That's what they call cracks?
Crocs.
Crocodile. Okay. Alright, make a right turn. So yeah, here you gotta make sure you signal just like you did. Every time they tell you to turn, you signal. So you stop completely at the stop sign. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your mirror is past the curb, turn all the way. And then we're going to make a right turn here. Same thing again, make sure your mirror is past the curb, signal right. And go up and turn. Alright, so here they're gonna tell you to stop in this general area. Go more into the middle of the space though. Yeah, and stop. So yeah, the examiners are gonna be walking around over here. They're gonna tell you to stop here, right? And wait for your next instruction. The next instruction is going to be speed up to 20 and stop when I say stop, right? So they're gonna tell you don't just go straight until I tell you to turn. Don't do anything unless I tell you to do it. So here they're gonna say speed up to 20, do a sudden stop. So go ahead. And stop. Alright, cool. Again, when you stop, make sure you're straight. Make sure you're on your side. Because when you reverse, they want you to reverse in a straight line. So you're going to reverse and make sure you end up in the right lane, just like you are now. So look behind you and reverse. Make sure you don't cross that yellow line. And just let it roll back until I tell you to stop. And that's good enough. Stop. Alright, now we're going to do the 3-point turn. So signal left. All the way left. I told you. Somebody's in all of them. Alright, that's good. Reverse. All the way to the right. And behind you, reverse. When your mirror gets to the middle of this area, past the middle, that's good. Put it in drive again, signal left again, and turn. So remember, you signal every time because you get 4 negative points every time you don't signal. Feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and now make the right turn at the stop sign. completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, make it right. Make sure your mirror is past the curb again. Notice I keep saying that because that's important. If your back wheel run over the curb, you fail the test. So make sure you pass the curb before you turn. Right turn. We're going to go all the way down to the end and make a right turn. Signal right. See it? People couldn't get the morning fix. Might go ahead and make the right turn. Alright, make a right turn again. And this time we're gonna park in between the cones. So when you go around the corner here, they're gonna tell you to stop. Probably about, go a little bit more. They'll make you stop about here. Stop. And then they'll say the next maneuver is park in between the cones. So again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park, right? So stay closer to your right, and you're going to line up your mirror with the cone. Go ahead. Line up your mirror with the cone. Go. Like that. Alright, turn all the way left. And when you get into the middle, we straighten the wheel. Alright, straight. Keep going, straighten the wheel. And that is perfect. See? Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to go and pick up my cone because they're going to be coming soon. Better car and park. I have my foldable cones here. No, you never seen a cone like this. Yeah, I should just put them in here and deal with them later. That was kind of hard. Folding those cones with one hand. Alright, so reverse from here, straight out. And we're gonna go to the back up into the mirror is past the end of the line. Turn all the way to the left. A little bit more. You can back up a little bit more. Turn left. Okay, that's good. Put it in drive. You say you're expecting, I think, at 7, right?
Yeah.
The prayer thing.
Oh, in the night.
Oh, in that night. Oh, okay. I thought it was 7 o'clock this morning. I was like, you're gonna stop your lesson till 7 p.m. Oh, okay. Stop completely. Alright, go ahead and make a left. You see, because they're taking walk-ins now, people are gonna be on that line early. I'm saying, but you've been practicing long enough now, so you're good. You
should. Like 2 more,
yeah.
Or 3 more.
Make a left.
What time they open, 7?
They open at 8.
So why people are in the line?
I mean, people be doing that. You see all them cars up there? Those are people for the DMV. Because they know that in order for you to get in there without an appointment, because you come early, otherwise you're gonna have to wait long. Straighten up and stop. Put in park. How you think you did? Excellent.
I need about 2 more. I'm doing good so far.
She's like, excellent, but I need more. No, you did great actually. So you should pass. And you put on your mask, hiding your face. Why you hide your face for?
No face, no case.
Case. No face, no case. You ever hear that?
Yeah.
What case do you expect? You're only doing driving lessons.
Don't worry about it.
Alright, so yeah, you see Sade did great actually. So I'm pretty sure she's going to pass her driving test. I expect her to pass with 100% actually. Right? Yeah. So I will let you guys know how she did after she passed the test. I'll put that in before we end this video officially.
Okay.
Alright, so see you guys in a little bit.
Wish me luck, guys.
Yeah. Yes, YouTube, guess what?
I got my license, guys.
Yeah, she passed. She got almost 100. Not quite, but very close. So yeah, I knew she was gonna pass anyway, so yeah, big up. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Alright, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.